So let me ask you a question. How would you like to make money online by simply watching videos using your smartphone or using your computer? So take a look at this recent payment right here, $96.63, and on top of that a bonus $576 sending into your bank account. This is very easy for new beginners and you can get paid daily and you don't need any experience at all to do this. So real quick, take a look at this, how much money you can actually earn from today's method. Now if you watch 15 videos online, you can earn $30. Now when you watch 45 videos, you can earn $90, and if you are watching 100 videos a day, you can easily make $200, and of course you can just keep on repeating this over and over again. And the best thing about this method today is that this is 100% free. Okay, you don't have to pay for any money at all and don't need any credit card to do this, and you can start making money online by watching videos from anywhere in the world because this is available worldwide. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end because I'll share with you a few bonus tips. Okay, number one, I'll show you how to earn extra $300 up to $500 quickly, and you can withdraw your cash within 24 hours. And also bonus tips number two, I'll show you how to build multiple streams of passive income from just one app and how you can get bonus money up to $100 for free. And the final tips, I want to show you how you can earn 3 times more money compared to other people without doing any extra work yourself. This is my new secret method that I've never shared before with any other people. So with that being said, make sure you watch the full video all the way until the end. Do not skip any part, and I'll show you how you can claim your first $100 online after you finish watching this video. So if you want more videos about making money online, you can go ahead and go on to YouTube and you can search on the keyword which is Branson Tay, and you can find more videos from me that can show you different ways to make money online. And other than that, don't forget to subscribe to both of my YouTube channels. Go down below and click on the red subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to turn on all the notification bells so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos in the future. If you want my number one recommendation and the best way to make money online, click on the first link down in the video description. Click on this link right here and put in your email address, and I send you over all the details into your email inbox. So I want you to take a look at this video right here, a 4 minutes video, and you can earn $2, okay, $2 by just watching this video. And on top of that, you can watch a lot of other videos on this brand new website on your phone or on your computer. So I want you to pay full attention and watch every single second of this video. Do not miss any part. So first off, I want you to go ahead and go to this website, gg2u.org. Now this is going to be a free website where you can join, and on top of that, you can make money by just taking surveys, playing games, and also watching videos. Now in this video, we're going to focus on watching videos because this is very simple and very easy. Anyone can do this. The best thing about this website is that you can get $1 for free by just signing up. They're going to give you this bonus $1. So all you have to do is just go ahead and put in your first name, your email address, and put in your username, your password. So on the country section, when you click on the down arrows, you can see here they're basically accepting people from worldwide. If you're coming from US, okay, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, it doesn't matter where you're coming from, you can still make money online because this is a worldwide opportunity. So once you fill in all your details, just click on this right here and click on this sign up for GG2U. Click on this orange button right here, and this is where you can get $1 for free by just signing up for a free account. And the reason why I love this so much is because you can receive your money. You can get paid every single day on your PayPal. Okay, you can receive your money on PayPal, or you can receive Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, or you can receive free gift card. So if you are coming from different parts of the world, you can receive your money on Skrill, on Paytm. There are more other methods that you can receive your money. In fact, comment down below and let me know what type of payment method do you prefer in your country. And this website right here, they offer a lot of opportunities for you to watch different videos online and make money. As you can see here, they offer a very high rate. As you can see here, 65 up to 85%, right? Compared to other websites where they just offer you 40 to 60%, okay? This is a very good opportunity. It's a brand new website that I've never shared before in any of my YouTube channels. So once you're finished signing up on this website, as you can see here, welcome to GG2U. We are a very high paying source for surveys, routers, and also offer paywalls where you can watch videos as well, and it pays 65 up to 85% payout rates. So as you can see here, we'll credit you $1 for every 100 coins. Now on this website, they're gonna pay you coins. Now every 100 coins, you can exchange the coins into actual money. Every 100 coins, you get paid $1. And on top of that, once you reach $7, okay, meaning that once you earn 700 coins, you can begin cash out your money, okay, $7, and you can receive your money in your PayPal account, in your Bitcoin account, or you can receive e-gift cards as well. Now on the next page, you can start earning money right away. When you scroll down below, you can just go ahead and click on this, click to continue. Click on this orange button right here. So as you can see here, once you click on the button, you're gonna see this. To get started earning, here are some things that are very easy to do. And again, make sure you remember, okay, 100 coins equal to $1. So as you can see here, for this offer, 550 coins, meaning $5.50. Now when you scroll down below, you can see this 200 coins, meaning $2. This one, $1. This one, $4.50. And there are so many offers that you can do on this website. And of course, you can do all of these offers and build up multiple streams of income. You can make a lot of different monies online, but again, we want to focus on watching videos. So if you want to make money by watching videos just like this, make sure you keep watching and follow my steps on this video. So right now, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website. You can see here, note, some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. Very important, if you want to make extra money, make sure you go and complete these offers, and you can make extra $4 for this offer and make extra $4.50 for this offer as well. But if you just want to make money by watching videos, you can just go ahead and scroll to the very bottom of this website and just click on this I'm done with this page. Okay, click on this button right here, and then you're gonna come on to your account. As you can see here, this is my dashboard on the GG2U.org website. You can see here $1. They just give me $1 for free after I signing up for a free account. And once I get another $6, and when I reach $7, I can begin to cash out my money. Okay, remember, you will need to make $7 before you can cash out your earnings. So as you can see here, when I scroll down below, you can see that there are many other companies and many other offers which I can do. For example, AdForTorrents, okay, very famous company, AdGame Media, okay, Peanut Labs, and also AdGem, right? These are all very famous company that they offer you special offers to do. For example, surveys, right? For example, download apps. For example, watching videos. Of course, you can click on any one of these companies and do the offers to make money online. So real quick, I'm going to show one of the examples. So if you want to just go and click on this AdSense Media, okay, click on this button right here, and then you're going to come onto this page and go on to the AdSense Media website, where you can do other different offers to earn money online. You can do surveys, you can do free trials, you can download mobile apps to earn money as well. So there are so many opportunities on this website, everything in just one website. So right now, if you want to make money by watching videos, you can just go ahead and click on this video button right here. Click on this button. So as you can see here, auto plays video. For every 200 video points that you earn, you are going to receive silver token, which will add $1 up to $3 to your account balance. So very powerful. Every single video, you can earn about $1 up to $3. So on average, you can earn about $2 per video. So now when you scroll down below, you can see here, earn video points by completing any of the videos down below. You can watch videos about food, you can watch some viral videos, you can watch some chillax videos to start earning monies online. These are different channels that you can watch. Now for example, when you scroll down below, you can see there's so many videos that you can watch that you can make money online. So when you click on this load more offers, you can even see there are more videos that you can watch to make money online. So real quick, I'm going to show one of the examples right now. For example, if you click on this Hideout TV Chillax, when you click on this orange button right here, and then you're going to come on to this page. As you can see here, this is on the Hideout TV. This is where you can start watching videos and make money online. For example, real quick, this is a 4 minutes and 21 seconds video. And by watching videos, you can earn about $1 up to $3 per video. It's a very good opportunity. So right now, I want to share with you a few bonus tips that can help you to make even more money online. So when you click on these gear settings right here, I want you to go ahead and click on the lower settings, which is 240p. And the reason why I want you to select the lower settings is because if you are watching on your phone or you are watching on your computer, the best thing for you to do to make the maximum amount of money is you want to go ahead and click on multiple videos videos and multiple channels and watch them at the same time, because that can help you to make 3 or even 5 times more money. So that's gonna consume a lot of your internet speed, a lot of your data. So it's a very good choice for you to choose on for the lowest settings right here. So this is gonna be the first tip that I want to give you. And on top of that, when you look on to the right side of the section, okay, viral videos channel up next. So right over here, you can choose on and watch different other videos, and this is where you can earn bonus money, even $2 or even $3 per video. Now make sure you watch all the videos, okay? Make sure you watch all the way until the end, from 0 seconds and until 4 minutes, and watch the entire videos so they can actually receive the point and convert the point into actual money. So right now I'm going to give you another bonus tips. Now when you click on this arrow button right here, when you click on this, you can view there are other different videos that you can watch. For example, this one, the Hat Challenge Intense. This one right here, video number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Every single videos, when you click on the arrow button, you can have extra 7 videos that you can watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 total bonus videos that you can watch to earn extra more money online. And of course, you can watch this on your phone, you can watch them on your iPhone, you can watch them on your Android phone. Now comment down below and let me know what type of phone are you using to watching this video, because you can do this on your phone or on your computer for absolutely free. Now once you're finished watching these 7 bonus videos, you can go ahead and just click on this next button right here. You can see that there are 9 bonus videos that you can watch. Okay, this is a very good strategy for you to keep on watching the videos over and over again, and you can make a lot of money online. So once you're finished watching one channel, you can go to watch the next channel and go to watch. There are a lot of other videos that you can watch to make money online. So if you think that today's method is too difficult and you want an easier way to make money online and generate passive income from home, you can check out the first link down in the video description. That's my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online right now on a budget. So click on the first link down below, click on this link right here and put in your email address, and I send you over all the details into your email inbox. If you enjoy watching, please like this video and share this out with your friend, and also don't forget to subscribe to both of my YouTube channels right here. And right over here, you can see there are more videos and playlists that can help you to make even more money online. So go ahead and check it out right now. Just click on one of these videos and watch it right now on YouTube, and you can learn more ways to make money online, and I'll see you on the next one.